Hi, I'm Hamid Rod Tehrani with Absolute Plumbing and Drain in beautiful city of Concord. Absolute Plumbing and Drain does plumbing and underground work like sewer and gas line. First of all, we are local. All the team members live in this community. All the technician has been background checked. They wear uniform and ID badge, and they've been trained almost once a week with the latest technology in plumbing business. Because we are a small business, we can stay focused and take care of the customer. I was on call about a couple nights ago, and then I got a call for broken water line. I went to the job. I had to dig it up, chase it, and find it, repair it, and turn the water back on. It was really late night, and when I told the customer, okay, I'm done, and they asked me, when you're gonna come back? I said, no, I'm completely done. The water is back onto your house. They couldn't believe it, and they were really, really satisfied, and that makes me happy. As a plumber, we know when you go to the bathroom, turn the valve and there is no hot water, or you flush the toilet, nothing goes down, how hard it's gonna be. And we deal with it every day. We enjoy when everything works. When we leave your house, we see you have a hot water and everything goes down the drain. Give us a chance so we can solve any plumbing problem you have. As an emergency for sewer line or clogged drain, no hot water, burst pipe, or even if you want to upgrade your bathroom or kitchen, please give us a call at 1-855-256-4444. We love to be your plumber.